street!
Whoop, whoop.
It's money too!
I can't see shit!
Welcome to the channel. So, before we get started, if you have not seen the yesterday morning's upload, go check it out, because today this has everything to do with that. I will link it in the first link below. So, for those of you who have seen it, you'll notice that this isn't in the same place that it was. In fact, one sec. It still looks the same under the hood and everything, but we moved it, and it runs and drives, and the four-wheel drive works. I have proof. It's sketchy because the doors are bungeed shut because I don't have locks for them yet. We took it down part of this swampy, kind of muddy trail sort of thing off the side of the highway, and for some reason it kind of sank and it got stuck. So we put it into four-wheel drive. We locked the hubs and, well, pulled the transfer case shifter back, which, come to find out, this does have full-time four-wheel drive. So I still haven't figured out completely the meaning of the shift things, but there we go. It's going to keep it from rusting, mostly, quite a bit. But other than that, what we did today is I had my brother come over and he helped me. We threw a battery in it, another battery, because it's set up for two batteries. We took it and fired it up. The battery that was in it, that's been in it for a while, was still good, surprisingly. We fired it up, took it, and it took a while before it would actually idle on its own, because it sat for, I'm guessing, 4, maybe 5 years. Probably a little bit longer, to be honest. But we did that, and moved it. We had a little bit of an issue with the transmission not wanting to shift correctly, but I think we figured that out. The brakes are squishy and don't seem to be completely there. The issue with the transmission was that the shift cable seemed to be a little bit loose, so we adjusted that and tightened it up, and it seemed to be good then. However, it has an Edelbrock carb on the stock intake manifold, but sadly, no, I'm not going to start it up for anybody. I do have proof that it does run. But what I was going to do here, this is the transfer case, and this is what it means. High range normal driving, low range heavy pulling, do not exceed 45 miles per hour. Okay. Neutral, for use with power takeoff. I don't know what that means. H or L, lock position, okay. For low traction conditions, only mud, snow, or sand, return to normal position for drive payment. To shift transfer case from H to L, or L to H, transmission selector must be in neutral. Shifting from H to H lock or L to L lock, or return to H or L may be executed under power. Okay, that's nice to know. And catalytic converter information, which does not apply. So, I don't want to break that. I'm going to have to do it with two hands later. Besides that, that's about it. I will show everyone it driving now. It's pretty funny. We unhooked the batteries and such. We still need to wire up the starter correctly and the distributor, because they aren't correct. There we go. And we had it running from the fuel tank to the carb and not just another tank. So there we go. But before, yes, I know. But before we get to that, this will be it. Remember to smoke tires, not plants, and to have a great day.
Woo!
Drive straight!
Woo woo!
It's muddy too!
I can't see shit!
There's some of those clips in the Datsun. It's kind of funny.
Lame.
Yeah, not really.
Lame, not really. No, it's lame. Speedometer don't work?
Unless we're doing below 5.
I don't think. Oh, there's
It's
second
got
gear.
second!
Holy shit!